Hi guys, morning. I'm having a bit of a fucked up morning because my sleep cracked in the morning, so I couldn't sleep after 5:30. And after that, I thought I'll go to a class, a gym session 8 o'clock. My waiting didn't get confirmed. I have to cancel right now. I'll talk. Look at this fucking office hour jam is stuck in. Look at this. The cars all around me and fucking stuck here. I got up in the morning. I thought I'll go to the session, and now they're like everybody's trying to fucking get over the head of everyone. That's the fucking because India has so much population. Every morning this nonsense happens in India. I made the mistake of coming in the morning because my sleep cracked and I didn't know what else to do. So I came for a class and look at this where I'm stuck now. So I went to a dance class at Sector 57 because I tried to book because I couldn't sleep, right? After 5:30 I've not been able to sleep. So I tried to book a class at Sector 56, which is my favorite gym of choice. Choice of gym. I don't know, my mind's not working. And but I got stuck at one waiting. The classes didn't get confirmed, so I had to, since I was like couldn't sleep, I thought I'll attend somewhere else. So I went to Sector 57 and I find the place really boring. The vibe is really bad. I don't know why is it poor? The vibe is really poor. So I went to Sector 57 and I did a fusion dance fitness class. So I'm just returning from it. I got stuck in a major jam on the way because it's office hour and like I got stuck on a major jam. Like took me 15 minutes to get clear of the jam only. So it's been a chaotic morning. I don't know why. Like sometimes the shit happens for no reason. Like I don't know why did my sleep crack. I had like my dinner at 10 o'clock last night. So that wasn't, and then I slept at about 1:15, right? So I had decent 3 hours gap, but my sleep cracked and I've been up and I've been like dealing with the gym non-confirmations, going to Sector 57 gym, and then getting stuck in jams. Chaotic morning, guys. Anyway, catch you. Hey guys, good evening. Here's something I'm beginning to understand about my body, right? My body responds to movement. Like in the morning also, when I was so fucked up because of lack of sleep, I hit the dance class because I couldn't sleep and I felt better. Like yesterday was again lousy because I tried to get a nap in the afternoon. I did some work, but because I was so sleepy, I did sleep a bit. I did take a bit of a nap. But then again I was feeling lousy because of lack of sleep. So even in the evening I left it and I did swimming and I'm feeling better. So my body at least responds to movement. It responds to lifting, dance, swimming. It responds to all of that, right? So you need to figure that out for yourself, because our body and mind are connected. So when my body feels better, my mind feels better. Okay, and I feel I can take up shit, life throws at me. Okay, so move. There's a beautiful movie. I always forget the name of the movie. And there's a beautiful quote in that movie, and that quote says, "Moving is living." Okay. So moving is living. Move your fucking ass. Move, because when you move, you live. Okay. Your body moves, your mind moves, your life moves. I don't know about the last. I get carried away, Hey guys, so I came from a bachata class. I think it'll be the last bachata class I would have attended in a while because I'm not enjoying it. I try to enjoy it. I'm not sure if I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying dancing with some of the girls over there, but I'm not enjoying dancing with all of them, right? Like basically, and it's a slow dance. It's supposed to be a slow, sensual dance. And it depends a lot on the partner you're dancing with, right? There are too many variables and my happiness, my joy of dancing depends so much on the partner I have, which I don't like, because when I'm dancing by myself, for example, I'm dancing in cult or hip hop, which I intend to learn. The joy of dancing, even the dancing that I do at cult, the joy of dancing depends only on me. Now here, there's another variable, a partner, and I don't enjoy dancing with all these girls, right? Like I've enjoyed dancing with, there's a girl called, there's a couple of girls out of all 7, 8, 10 I've danced with, and maybe 1 or 2 I've enjoyed dancing with. So I don't think I'm gonna continue this. So alright, so I'll catch you guys. Hey guys, the day review. The score for the day is 6.5, largely because of my sleep getting cracked in the morning, and after that I couldn't really complete it because दिन रात की नींद पूरी नहीं कर सकता. So I tried to nap for a while, but रात की नींद होती है, so I'll hopefully catch up. I try to analyze why it happened, and probably because I had ice espresso yesterday at about 6 p.m. So the caffeine could be a reason which cracks my sleep, right? So I'm hoping tonight I'll get proper sleep, because I've decided I'll not have caffeine beyond 3 p.m. Now, so that it doesn't disturb my sleep. So largely I've been drowsy and sleepy. The neck's largely fine now, about 90% is fine. But because of the lack of sleep and the chaotic morning today, and I couldn't be as productive as I would want to be. The activity wise, it was a great day, and that's probably the reason I'm a 6.5. I did swimming, I did dance, I did lifting, I did legs. So activity wise, it was a great day. The show was good. I did pretty good, about 15-16 minutes on stage. Bullshit happening on the road. So largely about 6.5. I need to get proper sleep tonight. Alright, so I'm sleepy. So good night, try to be happy, and bye. Take care.